This video presents the instructions of the experiment in decision making. Welcome to this session, which is structured as follows. First part for general principles of the experiment. Second part for explaining the main experiment. Third one for explaining the payment. And finally, a summary. The session lasts about 50 minutes and is organized as follows. This instruction video lasts about 5 minutes. Look at it carefully. It will be followed by comprehension questions. Then there will be some practice questions to familiarize yourself with the software used to collect your answers. The main part of the experiment lasts about 30 minutes. At the end of the experiment, we will take 5 minutes to determine the payment. You will receive at least 75 dirhams at the end of the experience, and you will have the opportunity to receive an additional payment. At the end of the session, a question will be randomly selected. For this question, the answer given during the experiment will be actually paid, so you can receive an additional monetary gain. Generally speaking, in this experiment, there is no right or wrong answer. We only want to observe your preferences. The experimentalist will be present during the session. Feel free to ask for help or clarification if needed. During the experiment, we will ask you to take decisions in 4 different situations. We will now present you with one of the choice situations that you will face. We will ask you to choose between 2 options, option A, at the top of the screen, and option B, at the bottom of the screen. With option A, there's an urn that has 100 balls, and half of them are green while the other half are white. You pick one ball at random from the urn. If you get a green ball, you win 1,000 dirhams. But if you get a white ball, you don't win anything. In other words, option A offers a 50% chance of winning 1,000 dirhams. The uncertainty will be revealed immediately, and the payout will be in 2 months. This means that you will know whether you have won or not immediately, but the payment will be made in 2 months. With option B, there's an urn that has 10 numbered balls from 1 to 10. You pick one ball at random from the urn, and if it happens to have a number from 1 to 5, you win 1,000 dirhams. In other words, option B also offers a 50% chance of winning 1,000 dirhams. The uncertainty will be revealed after 2 months, and the payout will be just after the uncertainty is revealed, 200. This means, after a period of 2 months, you will be informed about whether you have won or not. If you have won, you will receive the payout. Lists of questions. Questions are grouped by lists. Within a list, option A varies, but option B remains the same. A list contains 21 questions. Within a list, some questions may be redundant. A procedure to avoid redundant questions and facilitate the filling of lists. Here's an example. Consider the following list of questions. Suppose you prefer option A, which gives you a 50% chance of winning 1,000 dirhams. In this case, you should also prefer option A when it offers more than a 50% chance to win 1,000 dirhams. These questions are automatically filled out. Automatic filling is designed to make filling out lists easier and faster. Here is an illustration of the process of filling out and confirming a list of questions. Assuming these choices have been made. Now that the list has been completed, a cursor appears to scroll through all the choices you made. You have to check them all. At this point, you can modify your answers. When you have gone through all the questions, a button appears to confirm the list of your choices. Now let's consider the choices you will face in second situation. Option A offers a 50% chance of winning a lottery ticket. The uncertainty will be revealed immediately, but you will receive the lottery ticket only after 2 months if you win. This lottery ticket offers you a 50% chance of winning 2,000 dirhams. Option B offers a 50% chance of winning a lottery ticket. The uncertainty will be revealed after 2 months. This situation is almost the same as before, but instead of having a chance to win 1,000 dirhams, you have a chance to win a lottery ticket. Now let's consider the choices you will face in third situation. In this case, option A remains the same as in the first situation. Option B involves an urn that has 10 balls. We don't know what numbers are on the balls. The numbers can be any from 1 to 10, and there might be more than one ball with the same number. It's also possible that all the balls have the same number. So, you don't know which ball has which number. You pick one ball at random from the urn, and if it happens to have a number from 1 to 5, you win 1,000 dirhams. The uncertainty will be revealed after 2 months, and the payout will be just after the uncertainty is revealed. Let's now look at the options you will have in the fourth situation. This situation is similar to the previous one where you had the chance to win a lottery ticket, but with one small difference. In option B, you will be faced with an urn containing unknown balls. Payment. At the end of the experiment, you will randomly select one of the questions. For this question, the option chosen during the experiment will be played for real. This additional winning payment is limited to only 10% of the participants. Summary. The option you choose on one of the questions will be paid. You do not know which question will be selected. All questions have the same probability of being selected. You should therefore indicate your real preference for all questions. Good luck!